Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AN post mobile banking network error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. Then restart your phone and open the AN Post app again. Make sure head over to your app store, search for AN Post app, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the official app store. If the error continues, it may be due to temporary server maintenance, so try again later. That's how you fix the AN Post mobile banking network error. Subscribe for more simple guides.